Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix important battery message in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're seeing this type issue in your battery setting, that you see a message, important battery message, your battery health is significantly degraded and Apple authorized service provider can replace the battery or restore full performance and capacity. So let's see how can you easily fix the issues. So you have to go back and open your settings. Very first you have to try to make a software update. So go for general. Go for software update and try to make a software update. If you find a pending update here, try to update your software and then go back from here and you have to go for screen time settings and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have disabled the restrictions, go back, try to make a forced restart to fix glitches. To do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. Once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and here you have to open your settings app again. You have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, this second way you have to go for general. Go for transfer, reset iPhone, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your iPhone device settings to default, so if there will be any issue with the settings, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, you have to check your battery if your iPhone battery is original or not, or if not original, you have to replace it with an original battery. Or sometimes it might be that your iPhone battery's maximum capacity is lower than 75 or 80%, so you might have this type issues. You have to replace your battery. There's no any alternative. Or you can also go for Apple Support to get official help. So open your Apple Support app. You can easily install Apple Support from your app store. Open your Apple Support in iPhone section here, iPhone, and then select more option. Here look for battery, and here you have to look for check now. If you want to check your battery performance, it will check, and after that you just have to wait for until it checks the battery performance and then tap on continue option. Here select get more help and then select call us. Now you'll find the phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.